Hello and welcome to Diabetes Destroyer Talks. Today we're going to continue in our series of making sense of food labels. So I have here with me a packet of chips, and it says here on the back that they are made with top quality potatoes carefully selected by our farmers and experts for their exceptional taste and texture. So obviously that's going to entice us to buy these at, oh wow, these are lovely potatoes. But the truth lies in the list of ingredients. So if you look at the list of the ingredients, after potatoes comes edible oils. And it says edible vegetable oil in brackets, palmolive oil and rice bran oil. And the next item is sugar. That means in order of the maximum amount present in the product. First is potato, second is oil, and third is sugar. So potato and sugar, they are both carbohydrates, so they're going to raise the blood sugar levels. But the problem is with the edible vegetable oil. So these are palmolive oil and rice bran oil. Now these are refined oils, and when an oil goes through the process of refining, it goes through a series of chemical processes whereby everything that was good in the oil, which was present from the plant, including the antioxidants, the flavors, everything has been removed so as to increase its shelf life, so that the oil will not become rancid. Now you know that when you fry something in oil, and if you leave it out within a day or so, it'll start smelling, isn't it? That's rancid oil, so it has spoiled. But when we want to increase the shelf life of the product, like in this, so it has a best before date. So here we cannot have that product going rancid. So it has these best before dates. So that means the oil has to be stable for a longer time, and therefore it goes through this refining process. At the end of the refining process, there is no flavor left in it, there are no antioxidants left in it. It looks and smells completely unpalatable, and then plenty of things are added to it, such as color and flavor, so that it again looks palatable, so that we're going to buy that oil. So we've removed the good part, we've added some unwanted ingredients, and that is how we've come to this refined oil. Sugar and refined oil, these are the two most harmful products on the planet, masquerading as food. Seed oils and sugar, I repeat. So we can have good oils, good fats are very good for the body, because the cell membrane is made up of phospholipids, that's protein and fats. So we need protein, we need good fats, but not refined fats. So something like this, which contains refined fats, and then it also has these added flavors, which are natural and nature identical flavoring substances. Please stay away. They are not good for your health. Thank you. If you liked what you heard in the video, please hit the like button below and click subscribe for more such videos. Bye.